That's curly Craig.
Bring that, hey, bring that avalanche on up in here.
Oh, you been told. Pound cap.
That's what I'm talking about.
You been told.
Yeah, we there. It's Tupac, baby. If you do it, you can sing it, but I'm going to do this right now.
Oh, I like the bar racks on that bit now. I told him you got to be right when you got the punch out now.
What's up, the DJ?
You got to be right when you got the punch out.
We ain't going to be able to get that nerd to come up here.
Yeah, I like that color too.
Y'all walk around and judge them, baby. We got first place, second place, and we got a judge that don't want to come out there. Hey, Tupac won't tell us smile. You don't need me up. We're going to do the trucks by themselves. They just informed me we're going to do the trucks by themselves. Nerd, you better come on up here.
Chris Webb, my nigga, he's killing you. And this is coming from Ryan G, the one and only.
Oh! My chick over here. Coming out of that end. I don't know about y'all. Damn. We got a new judge out there. They ain't gonna call no name. Come on, Pete. Uh-oh. Y'all check him out. No? We got a nerd in the picture. And we got his feet. Second place judge. Y'all look around. Check him out. Hey, we're going to look at the trucks next, man. Don't look at the trucks with them cars. Y'all check out the cars.
This motherfucker's killing it right here.
Yeah, look at him, y'all.
Pop your hood out. Pop your hood out.
I ain't showing. I'm going to put it up after the bag out.
What I done there? Me and the nerd told me to play that song. He told me to play this shit when he pulled up here.
Hey, I already knew you, man. He called me out.
I don't know what he's trying to say, but y'all listen to it too. Yeah. Oh, I see what he's talking about now. Do it, baby. I like this shit. Right over here, Tupac. Them parlay ass sitting on the top. What you say, Lucy?
Yeah.